Oh, Jerry!
Oh my God!
Okay, whenever you're ready, both hands at the same time. Let go. There you go.
Now it gets really relaxing.
That's Diane.
Yeah.
Maddie's next.
No. Di, you can go again.
So much fun.
Really?
You
You
have
don't
to
wanna
do
do
it.
Maddie, you gotta do it.
It's really fun. It's only scary for like a half
whole
second.
day.
There she goes.
Whenever you're ready.
That's how it's supposed to look, Maddie.
That first one was a little scary. This one was perfect.
Holy crap!
You're doing a really good
I
job
did it,
making it sound like fun.
She's doing that on purpose. That's awesome.
You have to do it.
Can I only go up like halfway? There she goes.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Oh my God, Dad, I'm gonna kill you.
Let go.
Lower it.
Don't do that.
Back up,
You gotta let go.
please.
You have to let go. Don't hook that rope, Maddie. Don't do that, Maddie.
Whoa.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Ryan, you better hope I never come down.
That rope with it.
You did great.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I know. You didn't follow the directions.
Yeah, you did. You did fine. You're good.
Do it again.
We're good.
Whenever you're ready.
Yes!
Woo!
I don't think that's the prettiest swing I've ever done seen, but I did it.
Nice work, Maddie.
I want a drink.
We have wine in the room.
30.
We earned it.